Kali pi barong ipeng sobhai pi shikatuk kubor mata ka janmin shwaban phaj ki kubor ki babnya ini pechwai ki mat bakangsan kin mau buram kari ki brio ki balapha yala ka jing em man yadai ka yung dorbar parliament na ka jing sha thambor hakileno On yakun ka Regional Democratic Alliance ka election sa kayong dorbar Lok Sabha but MDC election kum kaway ka kanbun Jingkali UMLA ka seng Congress usaling sangma ya ka sarkar jalla halor ka jingpelut kesan haki tamasa. Penpa udkhat ke cabinet iba al hek ka jing snokya halor ka jingkiu ki kamshalan tu ikimasi syari Bangladesh ning ba ka jalla Meghalaya. Bat penduk ke Shillong Traffic Police ya palat chispa prapau teli ki modified silencers ki balayo kurup hausnan baladap. Ki kubor ki babnya kari kalaken mau buromi ki brio ki bala phai la ka jing em ban yada ya ka ying dorbar parliament na ka jing sha thambor hakile no hagani gasngi hausnam arhajar iwe vice president kari ujagdeep dhankar ummentri rangba do kari Narendra Modi bat ulampang ka ying dorbar lok sabha birla kilalam ya la kari ban ken mau burom ya ki brio ki bala phai ya la ka jing em na ka jing sha thambor hakile no Bon na ki menteri ka sarkar preng ki dikhat jong ka ying dorbar parliament ki dikhat barim ka ying dorbar parliament ki dikhat jong ka ying ka sem jong ki bala pha yala ka jing em na lor ki weide ki la ya le buram da ka jing lek bu sentiu hagani ka sngi hausnam arajari wei khandai ngot ki brio ki bala kan thop ya ki sipai pahara ki la pha yala ka jing em ban yada ya ka ying dorbar parliament na ka jing sha thambor ki le no Ka Regional Democratic Alliance RDA ka bakan top ya ka seng UDP bat HSPDP kala menjor ban ya khunlang ya ka election sya ka ying dorbar Lok Sabha bat ha ka election sya ka district council haba kren chikilat pathai kubor hinnin jong ka jingalang hinnin ka janmet u president ka seng UDP iba met ba lingdo ula ya tho ba kila rai ban jet ya henrio ngot ki dikhat na ka seng UDP bat san ngot na ka seng HSPDP ha ka RDA ha ka baya day ba ka election sya ka ying dorbar Lok Sabha ka rai ka ban salong iba lingdo ila ong ba on sa pelong ya ka jingalang shen ban jet yu kertong monlang dag ba ong ba ka RDA kan sa ya khunru ya ka MDC election kum ka wei ka kinhon
We decided to co-opt a few more members, 6 members from UDP and 5 members from the HSPDP. And today we again sat and informed in the RDA from the HSPDP side where they have co-op and nominate a few names. Those 5 members as the core members of the HSPDP.
Kaseng Congress ha ka jalla kala bo jingkli ka sarkar jalla halor ka jing pelut phut palat hakita masa unong yalam kaseng Congress usaleng sama ulaong ya kani ka jo ka pisa la ban pelut hakimat ki ban ajing mentoi ki pai ba ulaong bakat ba ki brio spa ki yo ban le kemen hagini kita masa ki brio ki beduk pat ki nang ban shushu ka jingduk ula kedeu ru halor ka jing bom pelat syo ya ki pisa na ka benta ka scholarship shiki kena pule ka jing bom siwi ki tulop jong ki nong hikai bat ki wei ula kentu ka sarkar ban penyabiang ni ka jing pelut jongka da ka ba ong ba man la ki nong shong shnong ki dei ki ba kongsan om tang uwei ar ki he saipan.
It's a good on the part of the government to bring the international artists to showcase here within our place. But spending so much of resources by not balancing our own people, it does not look little good actually. But on the other way around, it was good. Okay, but on the other way around, when you look at the real picture of the Meghalaya, whether we are, we are fit to enjoy in a such way, great pomp and like that, because when the others are suffering, for example, the students haven't got their scholarships, and then some teachers they haven't got their salaries also, and some departments they haven't paid their DA, all kinds of things, and even the district council in Garo Hills, though there was big celebrations of Megong festival, but maximum of the people cannot enjoy even the Christmas also.
Kajing ang not ban pelong ya ke India ke ri ke bala roy lapar hapo jong stem arajar sau phonyau kalakta shibo ni ki samla jong gari hak bagi nong hikai baki kena pule kila ya ke jing kershan bat kamon ban ya trailang ban penyo ya ke thong ke bala mai phang da menteri rang ba do gari Narendra Modi ling ba ke jing play ya ke Viksit Bharat at 2047 Voice of Youth minsngi ningkong ka DD News kalaya kren bat ki kena pule bat ki professors na Ampati Degree College ban pan jingmut na ki halor kumno ki jaka ai jing hikai kila ban yarap ha ka ban besut ya ka jinglong nong yalam khnang ban lam shakmat ya gari.
According to me, our country India will look in 2047 will look like a global powerhouse of the world. As we live today in a country which is still a developing countries, but I hope that one day in 2047 we will reach the goal to become a developed country in the world and also a power global house in the world.
Akas house nam asa punya kari India kanong kari kabarai bah kan dan syuk ka jing dunai ki surak aki Krishna ki thau haki jaka pakandang haki bat ki hospital ki lang ki babha bat ki babiang amana ki district.
We have many colleges, many educational institutions, thousands of universities, but in my personal opinion, the educational institutions that are already in place are not sufficient. The quality of education that has been followed has not been up to the mark, and that is the reason why we have the NEP 2020, which has just been put into effect. We hope that we should all be putting our hands together in making this a success.
I would like to see India a very prosperous, healthy country. Prosperous in the sense in every aspect, whether in economic or in social, whether it's the less unemployment, and every person should live a healthy life irrespective of urban or rural area.
India has undergone significant growth and development across various aspects. India has progressed with many country transition from an agrarian economy and to a more diversified one, especially service and technology sector.
Menteri Katanat Animal Husbandry but Veterinary uba AL Heg hinni gaski ula penpau ya jing sngo khia halor ka jingkiu ki kam shalan to iki masi shari Bangladesh lingba ka jala Meghalaya. Haba kren kilat patai kubor iba hek ila pentip baki nong tray na Katanat Veterinary kidang yai beteng ban tray bat ki pulit ka jela bat ki shipai BSF ban yele persya bat kene ka jing ula ongru ba Katanat kala sumar yaki masi ki bala yok kurup hadu kapor bande lilampat yaki.
It is very, I'm telling you, very sometime we are getting this kind of information. We are not getting the information. But if there is information, then the veterinary department, they will inform me. They will inform the director, they will inform the secretary veterinary, so they will inform them. We will take the necessary step. They have to treat them. Too many things are there. So they have to take care to the cattle. They cannot just leave it like that only. And also the BSF don't keep the cattle. The cattle is kept by the veterinary department under the whatever district it has got.
Ka school Green Hills Higher Secondary School Sorangkam, kalas dang menta kasngi ka jingle akamen ka bashis nam linter na ka jingdap sun post nam jong ka school hapdeng ka jingadon lang jong ki kinrem kilindan, kidkhot jong ka shnong, kinong hikai bat ki khenna school. Haka program play ya ka sakhi ya ka jing kintiw ya ka lama ka bala buat pat da ka jing tbe ding ya ka syarak da menteri Katanat Puli Puthi urakam sangma UMLA Katan u having stone karpran bat kiwe haba ai jing kran hagani ka program u sangma ula batai shapang ka jing kongsan ka khana pateng ka ba ai men siam ya ubreu na ki jingjia ki ba men marim ul batai ru halor ka jingbom ya biang ka jingdon ki ba pass graduate na ki jaka puli ha ka jilla ki ba don baro kumba lai lak ngut ki samla ni ki college pat kumba khatsan hajar hadu arpho hajar ngut na ki school ba man la usnem pat ka jingdon ki kam sarkar ka ba long tang hapadang khatsan spa hadu ar hajar tali ki kam man la usnem umentri ula kentu ya ki samla ban omdu jingkermen dakani ga jingken henry penban ban wat de ki wai pat ki lat yo kam ki bom de ki kam sarkar
ahead of you. You must face the challenges. Therefore, as a students today, you must understand that if you don't understand, if you don't read the lines of difficulties, we will be left behind tomorrow. Therefore, today, I would give a challenge to my young students. No IAS in Meghalaya. These lines must inspire you. Instead, demoralizing you, this should inspire and this challenge your heart, my dear students.
ki jilla jong ka than chatai lab mingi ki la sakhi ki kampen roy haman ki liang haki khandai snam baladep namar ka sarkar jong Narendra Modi kala aya ka jing phai khmat ka bakirpang ban kintiwi ki surak ban tei ki jing tei ba kongsan ban wanra ya ka jing suk ha ka than ya ka nela ya thu du menteri ka sarkar pedeng usar bananda sonowal kat baudang ai jing kren chekilat pathai khobor hanong ba Delhi hinni ka sngi ula ong ba ki jing tei ki surak ba ki linti rel ki ling suin bat ki jhat ki la keu hakini ki khendai snam uni menteri ula ya thoru ba ki jingdon jong ki kat ling suin ru ki la keu shaka khanyau tali na ki khendai tali haki khendai snam hakathan chatai lamingi ki pulat jongka East Khasi Hills negasngi ki la panjat ya komba shispa prapawai tali ki pipe penmi tedem lani ki modified silencer ki bala yo bat da ka Shillong Traffic Police ha Police Reserve Shillong ya kini ki silencer la panjat ha ka jingya don ringkat u Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills uba Sylvester Nong Tenger bat uba Vivek Sim ubadai ub Superintendent of Police jong ka Nong ba Shillong nagawai ka Porsche ka waipat ka Shillong Traffic Police kala ju maham persha ya ka jing pendat ya kini ki modified silencer da ka baong baki penthot bat pen kthakli ikipai ba namar ka jing sawa palat jongki
we request the owners to remove on their own, but then we realized that later on that some again we detected the same which we have detected in earlier part. So then we realized that we need to see, so then that's why we cease 181 from the August of this year till yesterday. So and we'll continue that.
La pelong ya ka rally jong ki sipai bala shong thai da ka headquarters jong ka 101 area ka Indian Army bat ka Rajya Sainik Board jong ka jala Meghalaya hindin gaski haba ai jingkren kum ukong san hakane gaski ka MP jong ka Lok Sabha natura ka agatha ke sangma kala ong baki don shibon ngut ki sipai ki bala shong thai kham kloi na ki kam hinrei ka jingno sinyang ka jongki kamdei ban kotno tang nangni ka agatha kala pentep ba ka sarkar klas dang ya bontli ki scheme kum ka CM elevate bat ka promotion and incubation of market driven enterprises lane ka prime ha ka ba kini ki sipai ki bala shongthai ki penrum kerteng ban kintiu ban pentebet yala ka sap ka phong ka jongki khnang bakin la ban yeng halaki jongki kjat Hagajuk Kapor Director Jangka Rajya Sainik Board ke Jala Meghalaya u Colonel Gautam Rai ula ong bala pelong yagane garali hatura khnang man pendunai gijing ki baki sipai ki bala shongthai bat ka yeng kasem ga jongki ki yakendo
I am extremely happy to say that on 10th of June 2019 the Honorable Chief Minister had inaugurated the Zilla Sainik Welfare Office at Tura, which was long pending. This office was very essential to look after the welfare of ESM, widows and their dependents of 5 districts of Garo Hills.
Kubasaus pangut ki khna school ki banyale eka secondary school living certificate examination jong usnam arajar ar phausaw ki balayo benta ha ka program ai jing hikai a ka ba ar jong usnam arajar ar pholai ki layo pediang da ki tiar yale exam ki ba kanthop ya ka cardboard uskiel ukhulam bat ka instrumental box now MLA ka jawai uma wailat mi ki shilla bat ki we ki he ki han ha ka jingelang ka ba pelong hat pep pali dorbar chnong hinnin gasngi ya kaniga program ai jing hikai la pelong haki Henry Tli ki center ba la phia yaki haki khat pratli ki thop hakani ka jing ai jing hikai la khampel jing mot halor ka subject maths but science na ka benta saphosan sngi haba ai jing kren uma wailat miki ula banjor halor ka jing don kam jong ki khanna ban perkhat sani bha bat kot jing mot halor ka lawai bat ka lenti ya ka jong ki nang ni shakmat nama don bon ngut ki brieu ki bakom bakla lenti namar ki jing e syam bat ki jing e haka emlang ka salang mentangi ne pe ya ka jing long chiman ka sim deng hashilong ka jing shet ka long khat khandai 0.1 degree celsius ba ka jing kret ka long 3.8 degree celsius ka jing snam ka hau ka long sapu khandai na ka shi spa men step bat nyu pusan na ka shi spa janmet kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka jing tap lo ba malu mala hakikat tu kat ni ki jaka shoban poish ko bakut jogi thup ko bon ni ne pe piang sa shi sen ki mat pa kang sa kin mau buram kari ki brio ki bala phaya la ka jing em ban yada ya ka yin darbar parliament na ka jing sha thambor hakile no on yakun ka regional democratic alliance ka election cha ka yin darbar lok sabha ba MDC election kum ka wei ka kri hon bu jingkli MLA ka seng congress usaling sangma ya ka sarkar jilla halor ka jing pelut kesan hakita masa penpa udkat ke cabinet iba el hek ya ka jing snau khia halor ka jing kiyo ki kam shalan tu ikimasi shari bangladesh lingba ka jilla Meghalaya bat penduk ke Shillong traffic police ya pala chispa prap hoteli ki modified silencers ki bala yok kurup house nam balada Tipalok dikitu ki kubon ila poi shaga bukat jaga thup kubon jungi mata ka janmet hadu begin dia syam biang wat pila shais ni kublai pi baro
Parliament was spoiled by